Hi guys, this is Lizardman 1000 and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Liberty Spike Mohawk. What I've done is basically, first you just want to damp your hair and sweep it all back to kind of section it a little bit. And what you're going to need is this stuff. Got to be ultra glued, best gel you can get basically. And to hold it in place afterwards you're going to need got to be glued. So you want to damp your hands a little bit first, and then just sort of get maybe about that much on for maybe about 3 or 4 inches, maybe 5 of the actual hair. Even it out in your hands and rub it on your head. Then you want to just sort of slick it all back, like so. And you want to keep your hands sort of damp while you're styling each spike, basically. So I don't know if you guys might find it easier putting a little bit forward like that, and then I don't know. It's up to you. What I normally do is sort of get an even piece. Just kind of got to work with it a little bit. It's like the thicker the spike, the better it'll hold up basically. You don't want them too thin because it'll just... So, and you just basically pull and twist a piece of there. And some people put spray on each spike as they're going down, but I just tend to do it all the way, then spray it afterwards. It's totally up to you. So basically that's your starting point, and then so on basically. You just want to make sure those tips at the end are kind of well pointed and all your hair's sort of clumped, or it'll just come apart basically. So you got 2. Don't worry, I don't count how many spikes I put on my head, I just do it basically. I'll try and do this as quick as I can because I don't know how much memory I've got on this camera. Right. We got 3. And what I'll try and do is just like even each section out so you haven't got it sort of wonked, kind of make sure it's all even basically. So far so good. And when you get to the back here, you are going to need 2 mirrors to be able to see back of your head, obviously. Depending on how you want to do it. Yes, this is a very technical and difficult process. It's a fucking pain in the ass. I don't know why I bother with this shit, but it's definitely worth the effort when you're done. And that is about it for the top. I'm not going to spray it down because I do that when I'm finished, but watch the second verse and I'll do the rest of it and show you when it's done. Cheers for watching, guys. See you later.